Discover magical gifts that save money. Are you tired of giving the same old presents year after year? Well, look no further because we have a fantastic selection of magical gifts that not only bring joy but also save your hard-earned money. From practical gadgets to innovative tools, these gifts are sure to bring a smile to your loved ones' faces and help them in their daily lives without breaking your bank. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of magical gifts that are as affordable as they are enchanting. 1. Energy-saving devices. Help your friends and family reduce their energy bills by gifting them energy-saving devices. From LED light bulbs that use a fraction of the energy to smart power strips that minimize standby power consumption, these gifts are not only functional but eco-friendly too. 2. Reusable water bottles and coffee cups. Say goodbye to plastic waste and hello to saving money with reusable water bottles and coffee cups. Stylish and practical, these gifts encourage your loved ones to stay hydrated and skip the expensive single-use cups at coffee shops. Plus, carrying their favorite beverages with them will bring a smile to their faces every time. 3. Meal subscription services. Help your friends and family enjoy delicious homemade meals while saving money on takeout by gifting them meal subscription services. These services provide pre-portioned ingredients and easy-to-follow recipes, making cooking at home a breeze. Not only will this gift save them money in the long run, but it will also introduce them to new and exciting cuisines. 4. DIY kits. Encourage your loved ones to discover their creative side with DIY kits. From pottery and candle-making kits to knitting and painting sets, there's something for everyone. These kits not only provide hours of entertainment but also save money by allowing them to create their own unique gifts. 5. Personal finance books. Knowledge is the gift that keeps on giving. Help your loved ones take control of their finances by gifting them personal finance books. Whether they need help with budgeting, investing, or managing debt, there's a book out there that can provide them with valuable insights. This gift may not be tangible, but its impact on their financial well-being will be long-lasting. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to discover more magical gifts and money-saving tips. We strive to provide you with exciting content that will help you make the most of your budget. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more amazing ideas that will not only save you money but also bring that magical touch to your gift-giving experience. Remember, the best gifts are not always the most expensive ones. By choosing magical gifts that save money, you not only show your loved ones that you care but also help them lead a sustainable and financially mindful lifestyle. Happy gifting!